New Zealand has extended its lockdown by at least 4 days as COVID cases continue to rise. 35 new infections were reported in the past 24 hours.
New Zealand is officially living through its worst outbreak since the start of the pandemic.
On that basis, Cabinet has decided that all of New Zealand will remain at level 4 for an additional 4 days until 11:59 p.m. Friday, 27 August.
That's excluding Auckland, where the outbreak began, which will stay under the same restrictions until the end of the month. 35 new COVID cases were reported in the past 24-hour period, taking the total number of infections to 107. At its peak in 2020, New Zealand had reported 89 active COVID cases.
There remain a number of unanswered questions. And with Delta, more certainty is needed.
Of the new cases, 33 were detected in Auckland and 2 in the capital. A second university student has tested positive, but it's unknown whether the case is linked to another reported on Sunday.
The student who travelled here to Wellington was in a hall of residence in Auckland, and that hall of residence, about 500 students who have now dispersed around the country.
Authorities are concerned by the infectious rate of the Delta variant.
You can see that head start in our transmission rate, or the number of people that on average each case is passing COVID-19 onto. Early estimates suggest that number may be 6 or higher.
But the Prime Minister remains confident in curbing the spread.
Delta has changed the rules of the game, but we've changed our approach too. We've hardened our alert levels, widened our contact tracing, required more mask wearing, and we are testing more people.
154,000 tests have been conducted since the start of the outbreak. More than 13,000 contacts have been identified, at least half of which are self-isolating.
You know, we're used to that, but, you know, this is going to take a toll for a bit longer, I'd say.
Oh, sugar. But there you go, we'll survive.
I guess we've been here before, haven't we?
We have been here before, yes.
The increase in cases has prompted renewed calls for a higher vaccine uptake.
Over 74% of people aged 40 plus are already booked or vaccinated. But in reality, we need that number to be as close to 100% as possible.
Lockdown settings will be reviewed on Friday for New Zealand and Monday for Auckland. Parliament has also been suspended for 1 week.
Stay strong, stay home and be kind. And let's finish what we started.
Jessica Maggio, Sky News.